Hey, I'm Krys Catterall, and I will be joining you as one of your key speakers at TestBash UK in September. I'll be talking about physical disabilities in the workplace, doing some activities and workshops, so please do come say hello, and that'd be great. So I'll be talking about things like what you can do to make working in an office more comfortable for you as a person with a disability, or for you as a manager. How do you approach asking for what does somebody with a disability need, and what can you do to better support them? I mean, for me, there's been a few things that I've had to ask my management from flexible hours to specific devices to help me with my work. In fact, I use a screen reader personally, because some days I have tics that have me launching my mouse across the room or smacking myself in the face. That's always pleasant. But I also have more constant disabilities of things like I can't walk very far, so I use a wheelchair. I wear hearing aids and glasses. I have double vision, so I can't actually see the camera right now. It's a bit of a blur. But yeah, please do join me and we'll have a real exciting chat about all the things that we've got to do. So come and join us at TestBash UK.